Level up your English from basic to intermediate and advanced. Minuscule. Very, very small. Example, the ant was minuscule compared to the apple. Extremely tiny or insignificant in size or amount. Example, her handwriting was so minuscule, I needed a magnifying glass. So small or slight as to be almost negligible. Often used to emphasize triviality or lack of importance. Example, the budget allocation for the project was minuscule, barely enough to cover basic expenses. Hurdle. A barrier in a race or a problem in real life that you have to get over. Example, learning English was a big hurdle for me. A challenge or difficulty that needs to be overcome. Example, one major hurdle was finding enough money to start the business. A significant obstacle, technical, financial, regulatory, or psychological, that impedes progress or success. Example, the company's biggest hurdle was navigating complex international compliance laws. Wrap something up. To finish or complete something. Example, let's wrap up the game. It's getting late. To bring something to a close, often after completing all the necessary parts. Example, we wrapped up the quarterly report ahead of schedule and submitted it to the board. The finalization of a process or activity, often implying that all objectives have been met and no further action is required. It can also suggest a smooth and timely conclusion. Example, after months of negotiations, the legal team finally wrapped up the merger agreement, securing favorable terms for both parties. Authentically. In a real or true way, not pretending or faking. Example, she smiled authentically because she was happy. In a way that is genuine, honest, and true to who you are. Example, he leads authentically, always staying true to his values. Being rooted in sincerity, integrity, and originality, often reflecting a deep alignment with personal or cultural identity. It implies credibility and emotional resonance, especially in leadership, branding, or storytelling. Example, the brand connects with its audience by communicating authentically across all platforms. Glorify. To praise something or someone a lot, often making it sound better than it really is. Example, he glorified his team's win like it was the biggest event ever. To describe or present something in a way that makes it seem very good or important, sometimes ignoring its faults. Example, she glorified her travel experience, leaving out the stressful parts. To elevate or idealize a person, action, or concept, often through exaggerated praise or selective representation. Example, the documentary was criticized for glorifying colonial expansion without acknowledging its destructive impact. Vain. Thinking too much about how you look or how important you are. Example, he's so vain, he keeps looking at himself in the mirror. Too proud of your appearance, achievements, or abilities, often in a way that seems excessive or annoying. Useless or pointless. Example, he made a vain attempt to fix the car, but it wouldn't start. Excessively self-admiring or egotistical, often lacking self-awareness. Futile or without success. Example, her vain obsession with status undermined her credibility among peers. Hustle. To move quickly or to work hard. Example, he hustled to catch the bus before it left. To work with energy and determination, especially to succeed or earn money. To push or hurry someone in a busy place. Example, we had to hustle through the crowd to get to the front. A persistent, proactive effort to achieve goals, often involving creativity, resilience, and speed. Example: the freelance economy thrives on individuals who hustle across multiple platforms to build their brand and income. Let alone. Not even or especially not. Example: I can't run a mile, let alone a marathon. Is used to emphasize how difficult or unlikely something is by comparing it to something even harder. It shows that if one thing isn't possible, the next thing is even less possible. Example: she couldn't afford a bicycle, let alone a car. Highlights the improbability or impossibility of a second item by referencing a first, more achievable one. It's used to underscore limitations, exaggerate contrast, or express rhetorical emphasis. Example: the proposal lacked sufficient data to support minor adjustments, let alone a full strategic overhaul. Delusional. Believing something that isn't true. Example: he's delusional if he thinks he can fly like a bird. Having false or unrealistic beliefs, often ignoring facts or logic. Example: he's delusional if he thinks he'll get the job without applying. Having a belief or perception that contradicts evidence or rational thought. Often used to describe psychological distortion, denial, or extreme self-deception. In everyday use, it critiques unrealistic thinking or inflated self-image. Example: his delusional belief that he was immune to criticism alienated his entire team. High-end. Very expensive or top quality. Example: she bought a high-end phone with lots of features. Luxurious, premium, or made for people who want the best quality. Example: he prefers high-end clothes from designer brands. Goods, services, or markets that cater to affluent consumers. Offering superior craftsmanship, exclusivity, and premium pricing. Example: the brand repositioned itself in the high-end market to attract discerning clientele seeking bespoke experiences. Hesitant. Not sure or slow to act. Example: he was hesitant to jump into the pool because the water looked cold. Uncertain, nervous, or reluctant to do something due to lack of confidence or fear of making a mistake. Example: I was hesitant to accept the job offer without knowing more about the company. A momentary lack of decisiveness or confidence, often due to doubt, risk awareness, or emotional conflict. Example: despite the favorable projections, the board remained hesitant to approve the expansion due to geopolitical uncertainties. Inbound lead. A person who shows interest in a company's product or service by contacting the company first. Example: inbound leads might fill in a form, send an email, or visit the website. A potential customer who initiates contact with a business, usually after seeing marketing content like blogs, social media posts, or adverts. Example: instead of being approached by salespeople, inbound leads come to the company themselves, often by signing up. A prospect generated through inbound marketing strategies, such as content marketing, SEO, webinars, or organic social media engagement. Example: generating inbound leads relies on attracting, engaging, and converting users through value-driven content and digital touchpoints. Funnel. To move something through a narrow space or path, like pouring water through a funnel. Example: the charity funneled donations directly to local schools in need. To guide, channel or direct people, money, or information towards a particular goal or location. Example: our digital campaign funnels high-intent visitors into a personalized sales journey, increasing conversion rates. Redirection of resources, data, or individuals through narrowing options or guiding behavior towards a desired outcome. In marketing, finance, and logistics means targeted flow or conversion. Example: the organization funneled surplus funds into a new R&D initiative focused on sustainable packaging technologies. Ironically. In a funny or strange way, often the opposite of what you expect. Example: he studied all night, but ironically, the test was cancelled. Something happens that is unexpected or opposite to what was meant or hoped for. It often adds a touch of humor or surprise. Example: ironically, she was late to a meeting about time management. A situation where the outcome contradicts expectations, often highlighting incongruity, contradiction, or unintended consequences. It is used to express subtle criticism, humor, or reflection on human behavior or fate. Example: ironically, the campaign to promote digital well-being led to increased screen time among participants. Transactional. About buying, selling, or exchanging things. Example: buying a sandwich is a transactional activity. Based on exchange, often with clear give and take. Example: their friendship felt transactional, only helpful when they needed something. Driven by specific exchanges of value, often lacking emotional depth or long-term engagement, focusing on efficiency, short-term goals, or measurable outcomes. Example: the company's customer service was purely transactional, prioritizing speed over connection.